Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Discover It. This is Arya Singh and today we will discuss about the notes of class 8th science chapter 9. Name of the chapter reproduction in animals. So today we will discuss this, and first I want to say you that I am not able to explain each topic in notes. So I have make a separate video of each part. You have to see it on my home page of channel name Let's Discover It, and please subscribe it if you are new on my channel and press the bell icon also. So plant that reproduce sexually have male and female reproductive parts. Okay, so there are two modes of reproduction. First is the sexual and second is asexual. The reproductive part in animal also produce gamete that fuse to form zygote. It is a zygote that developed as a new individual. Reproduction beginning from the fusion of male and female gamete is called sexual reproduction. The male reproductive organ includes a pair of testes to a sperm duct and a penis. The testes produce the male gamete called sperm. Millions of sperm are produced by the testes. Sperm are very small in size. Each has a head, a middle piece, and a tail. Sperm is a single cell with the all usual cell component. I have made some pictures of male reproductive organ. Is this? Female will be the this, and this will be the sperm of male gamete. So the female reproductive organ are a pair of ovaries, oviduct, and uterus. The ovary produce the female gamete called ova. In a human being, a single mature egg is released into oviduct, one of the ovaries every month. Uterus is the part where development of the baby takes place. Like the sperm, an egg is also a single cell. The first step in the process of reproduction is the fusion of a sperm and an ova. Fusion of the egg and the sperm is called fertilization. During fertilization, the nucleus of the sperm and the egg fuse to form a single nucleus. This results in the formation of a fertilized egg or zygote. The process of fertilization in the meeting of an egg cell from the female and a sperm cell from the father, so the new individual inherits some characteristics of mother and some from the father. Fertilization takes place inside the female's body is called internal fertilization. It occurs in many animals including human, cow, dog, and hen. When the male and female frog come together in water, the male deposits sperm over the egg released by female. The female frog egg do not contain a hard shell like that in a hen. Okay, so fertilization, in which fusion of a male and female gamete take place outside the body of the female, is called external fertilization. It is very common in aquatic animals. Fertilization results in formation of zygote which begin to develop into embryo. The zygote divide rapidly to give rise to a ball of cell. The cell that begin to form group that develop into different tissues and organ of the body. This developing structure is termed an embryo. The embryo continue to develop in the uterus. It gradually develop body parts such as hand, leg, head, eye, ear. The stage of embryo in which all the body parts can be identified is called fetus. The bulges are the developing new individual and they are called birds. The bulges in Hydra. So if you are not able to see the screen of your phone, then you have to increase your phone quality. This is not my fault, this is your fault. You have to increase your phone quality. So this type of reproduction in which only a single parent is involved is called asexual reproduction. New individual developed from the birds in Hydra. This type of asexual reproduction is called budding. Reproduction in which an animal reproduces by dividing into two individuals is called binary fission. Cloning is the production of any exact copy of a cell, any other living part or a complete organism. Clone cloning of an animal was successfully performed first time by Ian Wilmot and his colleagues at the Roslin Institute in Edinburgh, Scotland. Dolly was born on 5th July 1996 and was the first mammal to be cloned. Dolly died on 14th February 2003 due to certain lungs disease. I have made her some pictures of reproduction in Hydra and budding in amoeba. Amoeba, not Hydra. This is budding in amoeba. So we will meet in next video with the chapter 10 and its notes. If you like this video, tap the like button, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also for getting the notification of recent videos. Thank you.